Hello and welcome to HiBIS. Here we present you a detailed review on COVID-19 cases. As the country grapples with the surging number of COVID-19 cases, one needs to focus on the huge amounts of data that is showing up. It's imperative that we look up the data of COVID-19 cases in various states and also across the nation to get an understanding of how good or how bad we are in controlling the situation. In this video, I will attempt to analyze and give you a bird's eye view of what is happening nationally and then do a deep dive into individual states, especially the big ones. Let us get one thing straight. I am not here to point out faults of any individual or government. My attempt is only to help each of our citizens to be aware. So let us start by looking at the national picture. Over the last 1 week, we have seen a huge jump in cases, primarily coming in from half a dozen states. On the other hand, despite the spike, the number of people who have been discharged has gone up sharply and the gap between active cases and discharge cases. This is crucial because keeps the active number of patients around the 2 lakh level as the incidence of new cases comes down in the next 1 month. The active cases will start coming down. Now, we will go state by state. So, let us start with the national stats. In the national wide, the confirmed cases are 5,85,799, whereas active cases are 2,20,477. Totally, 3,47,839 people recovered from the novel coronavirus, whereas deaths are at 17,410. And we have completely tested 88,26,585 people. The first state which has highest number of cases is Maharashtra. Maharashtra stands with the confirmed cases of 1,74,761. The active cases are 75,979, whereas the recovered are 90,911 and the deaths are 7,855. The total tests done in this state are 9,70,161. Then comes with the Tamil Nadu state. The Tamil Nadu state stands with 90,167 cases, whereas 38,892 are active cases. And the recovered is 50,074 people, and whereas the death stands with 1,201. The total tests done in Tamil Nadu state is 11,70,683. The next metropolitan city is Delhi. Delhi stands with the total number of cases of 87,360, whereas the active cases are 26,270. And the total number of recovered are 58,348, whereas 2,742 people were died. The complete test done in Delhi city is 5,31,752. The next state comes is Gujarat. Gujarat has a total number of 32,643 cases, whereas 7,125 are presently inactive. The total number of cases which are recovered is 23,670. Total number of deaths is 1,848, whereas 3,73,613 tests were done. The next state comes is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has a total number of cases of 23,492. And 6,711 are the present active cases, whereas 16,084 are recovered from that. And the deaths are up to 697. Total number of tests done are 7,27,793. Then comes West Bengal. West Bengal has a number of 18,559 confirmed cases, whereas 5,761 are active now. And 12,130 were recovered, whereas 668 are the deaths in the state, whereas 4,88,038 tests were done. Then comes Rajasthan. Rajasthan has a number of 18,008 cases, whereas 3,375 are active, and 14,220 were recovered, and the deaths are 413. And the tests done here are 8,24,213. And then comes Telangana. Telangana has a total number of cases of 16,339, whereas 8,785 are presently active and 7,294 were recovered. The total number of deaths are 260 and 88,563 tests are only done. Then comes Karnataka. Karnataka has a total number of cases of 15,242, whereas 7,072 are presently active and 7,922 were recovered. The total number of deaths are 246 and 6,20,747 tests were done. Then comes to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has a total number of cases of 14,595, whereas 7,897 were active and 6,511 were recovered and 187 were dead. The total number of tests done in the state are 8,90,190. The next comes is Haryana. Haryana has a total cases of 14,548, whereas 4,340 are presently active and 9,972 were recovered, 236 are deaths, and total tests done are 2,64,203. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has a total number of 13,593 cases, whereas 2,626 are presently active and 10,395 are recovered. And deaths comes as 572 and total tests done are 3,65,467. Then comes to Bihar. Bihar has 9,988 cases in total, whereas 2,376 are presently active and 7,544 are recovered, whereas 68 deaths and 2,20,890 tests were done. Then comes to Assam. Assam has 8,408 cases in total, whereas 2,745 are presently active and 5,648 were recovered, whereas 12 deaths so far. And the total tests done are 4,12,214. Then comes to Jammu and Kashmir. The total are 7,497 cases and 2,674 are presently active, whereas 4,722 were recovered. And the total deaths are 101, whereas 3,65,058 tests were done. Odisha. Odisha has 7,065 cases in total, whereas 1,844 are presently active and 5,189 recovered, 32 deaths and 2,65,411 tests done. Punjab. Punjab has 5,568 cases in total, whereas 1,557 are presently active and 3,867 are recovered, whereas 144 are the death rates and 3,01,830 tests were done. Kerala. Kerala has 4,443 cases, whereas 2,112 are presently active and 2,304 were recovered, with 25 deaths and 2,31,570 tests done. Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has 2,881 cases in total, whereas 585 are presently active, whereas 2,228 are recovered and 41 deaths, with 69,024 tests done. Chhattisgarh has a total number of 2,858, whereas 595 are active and 2,250 are recovered and 13 deaths, with 1,60,650 tests done. Jharkhand, 2,490 presently cases and 591 are the active cases, whereas 1,884 are recovered and 15 deaths, and with 1,42,641 tests done. Tripura. Tripura has a total number of 1,393 cases, whereas 300 are only active, whereas 1,092 are recovered and 1 deaths only, whereas 64,478 tests were done. Goa has a total number of 1,315 cases, whereas 716 are presently active and 596 are recovered, with 3 deaths and 66,491 tests done. Manipur. Manipur has 1,234 cases, whereas 681 are active presently and 553 have been recovered, with no deaths. 49,882 tests were done. Ladakh. Ladakh has 973 cases, whereas 324 are presently active, with 648 recovered and 1 death, with 13,886 tests done. Himachal Pradesh, 953 total cases, with 356 active cases and 575 recovered, with total 9 deaths and 79,499 tests done. Nagaland, 459 cases in total, whereas 291 active cases and 168 recovered, whereas no deaths have been recorded and 16,563 tests were done. Arunachal Pradesh, with 191 cases and 128 active cases and 62 recovered cases, with 1 death and 24,237 tests were done. Mizoram has 160 cases, whereas only 38 are active and 122 were recovered, with no deaths. 13,746 tests were done. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. With 100 cases and 55 active cases presently, 45 were recovered, and with no deaths, 15,400 tests were done. Sikkim, with 88 number of cases totally, with 38 presently active and 50 recovered, with no deaths, Sikkim has registered 10,535 tests done. Meghalaya. Completely, there are 53 cases in Meghalaya, whereas 10 have been presently active and 42 cases were recovered. With 1 death recorded, only 19,294 tests were done completely. So these are the current stats of COVID-19 cases in India. So one need not to be worried about the present cases recording day by day, because the total number of active cases are very less when compared to the recovered cases. So one need to maintain social distance and wear a mask wherever you go, and do not shake your hands, and be safe when you are going out, and do not step out if it is not necessary. This is our small appeal from Hybees, and thank you so much. This is Chaitanya.